How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I am going to be doing a veiny hand workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So the exercise that we're going to be doing is going to be a hand extension. So what that is I will show you guys right now what a hand extension is. It's basically where you are lifting your palms up. And what this does is this puts a tremendous amount of pressure on your hands. In a good way, you're not gonna hurt them. So what you do is you're just gonna go like this, and then you're gonna lift your palms up like this. What this does is this puts all the pressure in your wrist, and it's gonna get your veins to start to show in your hands. So let's do 30 reps, and then we'll take a little rest and we'll do it again. So all we're doing is this. I'll show you from the side. It's easier to see from the side. So 1, 2, and this is also going to work your forearm. As you can see, my forearm is being worked a little bit. So again, 30 reps. When doing this, don't do this. We're only doing the upper part. It's kind of like if you drive a motorcycle, you're revving it up, or a dirt bike. Again, 30 reps. So you're really going to feel it in your wrist. Booyah. Okay, 20-second break. We'll do it again. Okay, let's do it again. So again, 30 reps. And again, it's just a simple movement. All we're doing is we're extending our wrist just like this. Nothing fancy, nothing too difficult. All you're doing is that simple wrist action of just extending up. This is going to put pressure on your wrist and your hand, and it's going to get the veins showing. It's also going to make your wrist bigger as well. And you can see when I'm doing this, I'm also working out my forearms as well. Okay, so that's the end of the workout. I recommend doing about 5 sets of 30 reps. And yeah, end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.